Okay, and it's time. So I don't know what happened. I touched the wrong button. So I'm going to start pouring this on. Well, drizzling it on. Because I want to make sure that these are well covered. And then I'll do it with my fingers. So first, you cover everything that's raised. So I'm just going to do this. As quickly as I can. And hopefully I've made enough. I don't have any other, if I haven't, I'll have to make some more. So it's very simple to resin. Oh, thank you, Betty, for putting that on. Just going to remove this bit. And now I'll start using my hands. Maybe I should have made a little bit more, but let's see. Let me put this down and start spreading it around. I've just turned my cup upside down so that whatever resin I need will be there. The only place I now realize I didn't put anything on is the wreath, but that's okay. I can always add some on. I'm just going around the candy cane. Maybe we'll have enough. If I spread it around enough. Hi Hazel, how are you? I know it's not my usual time, but I wanted to finish cleaning up my desk so I can set up for the Pinterest. Okay, so this side is covered. Now I'm going to do this side. Let's see here. And then I'm going to blow it, but not before and then I'm going to put some of those snow sprinkles, snow things. Just want to make sure that this is well covered and this is well covered, that everything is covered as best as I can. I'm not necessarily going to put anything on the snow. And maybe it's a good thing I didn't cover my wreath because it would lose its texture. I happen to have a little bit more on the edges. Let me just stand up and see. I could have used a little bit more of the resin. I could have made a little bit more, but this was enough. I think I might need a little bit here. I'm just checking from all angles. In the windows, I know there's quite a bit, so I'm just trying to remove some of those. Okay, and I'm ready to put some, get my heat done. Just making sure this is, excuse me, your only chance to really make sure you've got it right. Because once you heat it up, I mean, you can add 24 hours later resin, but who wants to do that? So just make sure, I'm just making sure everywhere is covered. I'm being extra careful. Just want to make sure these are secure. I know I said I wasn't going to put any on the snow, but I think I need to. So when you do make an amount that's a little bit smaller, it just takes you a few minutes longer to fix it up. Just double checking everything. Okay, I just found one that has moved. So I just need to adjust it right here. And be very critical. Okay, I'm going to take my gloves off. And get my tweezers and make sure that yeah, that's there. I just want to get... The other thing I want to do is put some white snow, and I'm looking for it. Let me just blow this one. And there's some areas where I've got some things I need to pick up. Oops. And right here I need some. There's no resin here. Let me check on the other side. No, that's fine. So let me go just get the snow, because I was going to use the bubbles, but I think I prefer the snow. Let me see. Not this one. I know I had it, and guess what? I probably put it away somewhere. Last night when I was cleaning up. Oh dear. 1 second. Sorry guys, I thought I was all prepared. Oh, snow. Well, it's not there. What did I do with it? It was white snow. Oh, there it is. It was right in front of me. I didn't even put it away. This is the snow I'm using. And I'm not going to put too many. And I'm not looking at comments. My computer's not on. Actually, I'm going to remove them from the house. I don't think I like them there. So I'll just remove them. Trying to get it in the right place. And I think that might be it. I keep saying that might be it, and then I don't stop. So I'm just going to remove the ones from the house. They look a bit too cluttered. Good morning, Kim. Just going to remove this. I might put it here. I still got a few more to remove. Maybe this one here. This one here maybe. And here. Was there any more I should remove? Right here. And there's a few too many here. And I am going to have to, I made some marks in the resin, so I'm just going to go from far and just do the house first, because there's nothing on the house. So what do you think? Is she pretty?